Okay, what is up, guys? So another day here again. So um, my camera died. I didn't record when I was installing the fuel tank. Like, I think I recorded like halfway, but the fuel pump is already in. Here, I can show you guys. I don't have my flashlight, but here all the lines and hoses is all connected. I don't know if you can really see it there, but all the lines and stuff like that. And we're gonna start it in a bit. Just gotta put some gas. My friend came over and drop off some gas. Okay, so we're gonna go fill up some gas in this thing. I think this came off. Fix that later. Anyways, so my friend came over and brought me some gas. So we're gonna go put gas. There we go, we're putting gas now. I still gotta put the center console and put back the shifter linkage, and we can fire it up later. First startup. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, first startup. New fuel pump. Fire right up.
Let it warm up first, and then you'll
Update, boys. It starts.
it's up.
Okay, so we're gonna install this now in the fuel tank. Okay guys, so that's it for today. We got the car started. We started for a little bit. There's no coolant in it. I drained the coolant, so that's the first thing we gotta put back is brand new coolant. And we need to flush the engine oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, clutch fluid. All the fluids needs to be drained and flush and probably clean everything. And brakes needs to be fixed. Probably replace all calipers since they're probably all seized, but we'll have to see if I can find a replacement, or might have to rebuild them. And yeah, that's gonna be another episode for those ones. Just stay tuned. So if you guys have any question, just drop it in the comment. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and turn on the notification so you guys get updated of whatever I'm doing on the MR2.